Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the progress bar and sig bar, both combination in Android. So let us start. First, I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better my video lecture. And here that is ADT Eclipse bundle I already open, and here our device is already launched. So yes, you have to know in window that is Android device manager, and here you can select your AVD and start and launch. So I already take this process, and now what to do? So in file menu we can take new, that is an Android application project, and that is a both combination. So progress bar and sig bar. So yes, we can give the pro and sig, that sig bar. So pro and sig bar. So that is a progress bar and sig bar demo. Yes. So next, that is our app's name, and here that is our workspace that perfectly selected. That is our icon that also perfect, and blank activity, and here main activity, that is our Java in activity underscore main, that is a layout XML based file, and finish. So that is take some process, and yes, that fast. So that is complete, and that is created. Yes, and I select this hello world and delete. So we can take both. Yes, here I first take a sig bar. So that is our main. So whenever we can as static move the sig bar, so progress bar is also move. So horizontal, yes, that we have to take, but not a match. So both is match. So yes, here I give the center of the screen. So yes, that side here, that sig bar is default. That is a match parent, that width. But here you can look, that is a progress bar. That is a very small size. And next we can take one, that is our text view. So we can take as a large text view. Yes. So that perfectly. So there are three control: sig bar, progress bar, and text view. So let us check. Now I go in design. So first I change the ID. So SB. Yes, and here we can say that PB. Yes, progress bar, and then text view. So TXT. Yes, answer, and that is finished. So yes, we have to decorate some text. So Android colon, that is a text color. So that is a hash sign and 00F, so blue color. Yes, you can also take as background color, but yes, that for after one. And Android colon, that we can take as text style. So you can look here, and that is a bold we have to provide. Yes, so bold. Yes, that perfectly. So now we can go in our coding file. So that is our design, and yes, here that is a remaining we can take as a full, that our progress bar. So you can look here in sig bar, that is a with is a match parent, but here in the progress bar, that is a wrap content, so we can change as a match parent. So yes, that save, and let us check now designing. So yes, that perfectly. So both are, and our target we can statically move, that progress bar is also move, and then progress, that percentage means value is printed in text view. So that is our goal of this session. And now we can take as Java file. So src, and then our package, and that is main activity.java file. And here first we can take three all controls. So first is a sig bar, and that SB1, then progress bar. So that is a PB1, and then text view. So 31. So all three control. And now what to do? So SB, that is a find view by ID, that is a class method of activity class, and then r dot id dot, that is a sb, yes, and semicolon, typecasting needed. So that is a find by id is the activity class method, and that return is a view class, so that is a needed as a typecasting. So I copy and paste. So here we can give as a pb, and here also pb. And now that is a next text. So txt answer and handler we have to also change, and that is a t1. So all that id we have to take. Yes, here that typecasting, yes, in the text view, so that is a giving the error. So yes, and here that we can progress bar, but that not giving error because that is a extension of, yes, that is a progress bar is a sig bar is an extension of progress bar, so that not taking any error. Yes, now perfectly. Now what to do? So SB, that is our target sig bar, and set, that is a, we can say that set on, mm, we can change as a not click listener, but create not. So we can change, yes. So here we can set on change, yes, here that is a click listener, but we have to not take as a click listener. Yes, set on, yes, seek bar change listener, that is a listener, so we can find. And now what to do? So yes, here that is a on seek bar change listener, and that you can look, there are three different type of method is applied. And here that after first semicolon and on seek change listener, I take mouse and import that package, so all error is gone. And now what to do? So here that is a on progress, that is very important, and integer, that is a value of progress bar, means that value of our seek bar value, so we can assign to progress bar. So that I use as a, I remove this chain, and that we can say that seek bar sv value, yes, and assign to progress bar. So here I give like pb1 dot set progress, yes, that is a method. So set progress, yes, that is here set progress, and provide the sv, yes, and p1 dot set x, yes, and that is also assigned to sv, and then percentage sign and one blank, so that also display the text, and you can also use as a text toss class. And now here we can use as a message, so toss class. So toss dot, yes, make text get application context, and here we can print the message, so that we can say that seek bar start tracking, yes, seek bar start is tracking. So yes, that is, and that duration, so we can say that again toss dot long and show method, so semicolon and copy, and that paste to here this comment line, and here that is a stop. So stop tracking, yes. So all method we can use. So here on stop tracking touch, and you can also use word the touch. So sig bar stop tracking touch and start. Yes, let us check. So yes, I give also touch word. So yes, and here also provide the touch word. Yes, so that perfectly. And here we can move to the set progress. So that is a progress bar move using this second argument. Yes, and then set text view, that also we can print. So I can save and let us check. So I can run. So yes, very simple. We can combination progress bar and seek bar. So now I can right click and run as Android application project, and here you can look that is a running in status bar. So wait few minutes. Yes, that is a running and that apps is run. So yes, what to do in this? Yes, now that running. So yes, here all three control is display. So I static way moving this seek bar. So you can look here that is a progress bar is also move and seek bar stop tracking touch. So we can stop. Yes, now I can again start. So you can look that is message start tracking and now that stop and 61. So both that is a depend of this value. So we can move the seek bar. So that is a moving also progress bar and that is a static way. Yes. So now stop. So yes, and you can also take yes. Let us check some design. So that is a seek bar, very important. I previously take as dynamically move seek bar. So here we can static again and progress bar combination. So here seek bar there is two important property and that is a first we can take as a that is a thumb. So you can assign drawable that resource and our Android logo and that is and you can also use background color. So yes, and at progress bar we have to assign the background color. So yes, that we have to use here and that as sign and 00F. So that is a green color. Yes, double F 00. So 6 digit also possibility. And then we can yes. So let us check. So I can save and run. So how it's look. Yes, and progress bar and seek bar very close. So we can, yes, I go in design, in graphics angle tab, and yes, you can look here that is directly display. So that is our Android icon. You can place any icon. So I can move, yes, that is our parents. Yes. So yes, that is now let us check. So I can save and run. So progress bar and seek bar combination we have to take. So here you can look. So we can change some property and that is also static. So design time we have to apply that is static way and Java file main activity dot Java apply. So that is a dynamically way. So yes, that is a type casting error because that is a design problem. So yes, how to find your error? So look at window and you can so many red line, but here one line is important and that is a cause by. Yes, you can look here. So class cast exception Android dot progress bar cannot cast as a sig bar. So yes, that perfectly giving the error. So what to do? So yes, we can separate to each other. So there are two ways we can solve that this error. So first you can observe your XML. So here there is no any ID of our progress bar to seek bar. Yes, that not any. And here you can seek bar. You can just here no use progress bar ID. So first we can check each other and then we can go in design part, graphics layout, and again I control Z. So that is a perfectly. So first, yes, that you can look here. That is a and that a progress bar. So that is a in green line. So again I control Z. So now that previously our output I save and let us check run. So that perfectly. So how to detect your error? That is a design problem creating. So let us check. Yes, that is apps is running and now I think there is no error. So that is a sometime that type class exception. So Yes, that perfectly. So, but you can look here. So I now select yes. So you can look here. That is a movie. So there is no any issue. So that is only just typecasting problem. So yes, that perfectly. So we can take as 100. So subscribe my channel Ashok Srijal Academy. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And regarding of this definition or any apps concept of Android, you can write in comment section. I give the definitely to answer you. Thanks again and Hare Krishna.